Hi, welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. In this session, we will be dealing with the importance and needs of marketing management. That is, sorry, we are in this session we will be dealing with the needs and importance of marketing research. As you know, in the previous sessions only we have started with this session with this chapter, and today we will be dealing with it. Clear to it? Okay. Needs and importance of marketing research. The most important task of a marketer is to get the right product at the right place with the right price to the right person. Beside it was also necessary to go back and find whether the consumer is getting optimum satisfaction so that the consumer remains loyal. These aspects made it impressive for the marketer to conduct marketing research. The following points explain the needs for and importance of marketing research. Identifying problems and opportunities in the market. It helps in identifying the new market opportunities for existing and new product. It provides information on market shares, nature of competition, consumer satisfaction level, sales promotion, and channel of distribution. This helps the firm in solving the problem. Next one है formulating market strategies. Today, markets are no more local. They they have become global. Manufacturers find it difficult to conduct consumer and control the distribution channel. Competition is equally severe. The consumer needs are difficult to predict. Market segmentation is a complicated task in such wide market. The marketing intelligence provided through marketing research not only helps in framing but also in implementing the market strategies. Next one is determining consumer needs and wants. Marketing has become consumer centric. However, large scale productions need intermediaries for mass distribution. Due to the prevalence of multi channel of distribution, there is an important gap. The marketing research helps in collecting information and consumers from structured distribution research and helps in making marketing consumer oriented. Next one is for effective communication mix. In era of micro rather than mass marketing, communication plays a vital role. Marketing research uses promotional research to study media mix, advertising effectiveness, and integrated communication tool. Research on such aspect will help in promoting effectively a company's product in the market. Next one is improving selling activity. Marketing research is used to analyze and evaluate performance of a company within a market. It also studies effectiveness of sales force. It helps in identifying sales territories. Such information helps the companies in identifying areas of shortcomings in sales. It also examines alternative method for distribution of goods. Next one is for sales forecasting. The most challenging task for any production manager is to keep optimum level of inventory. However, production is undertaken in anticipation of demand. Therefore, scientific forecast of sale is required. Marketing research helps in sale forecasting by using market share method, sale forecast estimate method, and Jerry method. This can also help in fixing sale quota and making plans. Next one is to realize brand. Market research is used to study and find out the existing brand position. If it find out the recall value of brands, it explores the possibilities of brand existence or project of changing existence brand name. The main purpose of making marketing is to create local loyalty. Marketing research helps in developing technology to population and retain brand loyalty. To facilitate smooth introduction of new product, marketing research helps in testing the new product in one or the two market or small scale. This helps in finding out consumer response in new product and develop a suitable marketing mix. It reveals the problem of the consumer regarding new product. Thus, it controls the risks involved in introducing a new product. Next, determine export potentials. The development in transportation and communication has helped in globalization and digitalization of world trade. This help is boosting the growth of international market. Marketing research helps in conducting market survey for exports. It collects information on marketing environment prevailing in a country by collecting data on consumers from different countries. It indicates export potential. Next, marginal. This was the needs and importance of marketing research. If you have any doubts and queries, please pin me on the email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.